Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shari if you are new here, and thank you so much for coming back if you are true here. I am so glad that you guys tuned into this video because this is gonna be a good one, okay honey, period. So what we're gonna be doing is achieving this hairstyle today. I love this style. I've just started doing it much more often, and I think it's so cute, so feminine, so girly. And y'all know it is hot, like record heat hot outside. So I've just been trying to figure out some cute like up styles and cute little off the neck styles, if you would, if you will. Just some real cute and sexy but still classy type of looks. This unit is actually a 30-inch unit. I'll make sure to link that down below so you guys can go pick it up if you would like one yourself. And I transformed this wig, this 30-inch wig. I think I had crimps in it before, if I'm not mistaken. And I went ahead and brushed those crimps out and decided to turn this wig into an updo style wig. So if you would like to see how I achieved this look, then definitely keep on watching. And again, check the description box below for everything that I'm using to achieve this look and for this unit itself. This is more like a voiceover type of video. I don't really do these that often. I wanted to share this cute little style with you guys on today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below in the comment section if you do. Okay, so starting out with my little dusty brush that's years old, 2 claw clips, a wand curler, and my got to be glued hairspray. I am going to be brushing my hair out first and then sectioning off my hair piece by piece. And you'll see me spray each section with the got to be glued spray so that my curls will last. And I am starting in the front just because I want the main focus of this hairstyle to be the front. So that's where I'm going to focus my efforts. And you see I'm just subsectioning off the hair. So doing one big section, spraying with got to be, and then subsectioning with the wand curler, going through doing smaller pieces at a time. This just gives you more defined curls and gives you more of like that Shirley Temple curly look, which is what I was going for. If you do want more of like a loose wave look, then you can definitely curl larger sections with the wand curler, and that'll give you more of a wavy, loose curly type of look. So yeah, let's just get into watching me curl.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Yeah, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better.
Okay, so I'm done curling now, and I just wanted to smooth out some of that hair on the top and lay down some of those flyaways. Now what you're seeing me do is pull out a couple of curls in the front. You can leave out as many curls as you want, 2, 4, but I just wanted 2. And now I am separating the curls that I just did into smaller curls. This just is going to make my little ponytail, my clip-up ponytail, look a lot more full and have a lot more curls. So I do like to go ahead and separate the hair. I also like to do this just because the hair is long, it's 30 inches, so it gets a little thinner at the ends. So separating the curls just gives it a little bit more volume. And once I have that hair separated the way I would like, then I'm just going to go ahead and start pulling the hair back and smoothing it in the front and on the top of my hair. Now this is a wigless unit, so I said wigless, child. This is a glueless unit, so I did not glue this wig down. It is actually just on my head and with the combs. So it did move a little bit, but not much at all, and you'll see me adjust it. And so what I do is I do one clip and clip the hair up first at the bottom to give it like a foundation, give it some, you know, some structure. And then I go in with the second clip after I've smoothed it and gotten it into place the way I would like it. And I clip it up a little higher to give it that, you know, high ponytail type of look. Now what I did learn from doing this is that it is a little bit easier if you do the rubber band at the bottom. So if you just put it in a low ponytail with a rubber band and then clip it at the top instead of doing 2 clips, it does make the process easier. But I just don't personally like the rubber band at the bottom look. It just looks like a clipped up ponytail. Now if you're in a rush, then that's definitely like a go-to thing if you don't care about the rubber band showing. But in essence, I did it with 2 clips, but you can also do it with a rubber band and 1 clip. And once I get it clipped up and I have it in the place that I want it, then I go ahead and do my last little touch-ups, separate some more curls, add some more curls where they need to be. And then, you know, I'm just gonna fix my wig, make sure it's straight, since again, it is glueless. And yeah, that's pretty much what I end up with, you guys. I really love this hairstyle. And yeah, that's it for this voiceover.
30, baby, won't you meet me by the beat? Too early, baby, later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, phony kisses.
All right, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned something, or at least, you know, figured out a cute little technique that you haven't tried before, or perfected a technique that you have. And make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell before you go, so you'll be notified when I post a new video, because listen, I'm going to be making sure that I post more like hair and makeup type of videos. So yeah, make sure you subscribe and post notification bell is on. Watch some of my old videos if you haven't already, okay? Thanks so much in advance. Period. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that beat of love. I wanna ride.